Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can purchase and set up a virtual private server with Contabo. Contabo is a very popular hosting provider. They mainly focus on virtual private servers, cloud hosting, dedicated servers, and they offer a variety of hosting services from small projects to large enterprise applications. As you can see here, they have a very competitive hosting packages for virtual private servers starting from $550 per month, and even the smallest setup comes with 4 CPU, 6 GB of RAM and 100 GB NVMe drive, or if you select the normal SSD drive you get 400 GB of storage space. And with the largest package you get 24 CPU, 120 GB RAM. This is really insane. This is a very powerful virtual private server. So if you have a very large website and you are having trouble with your hosting, it's definitely worth trying out Contabo. They have servers available in multiple regions. They are a German company. They also have a very good customer support. You can select from a number of different operating systems, control panels like cPanel, Plesk. They have modern hardwares, and they also have an always-on DDoS protection. And if you are a more experienced developer, you can also leverage their APIs and CLIs. They also have DNS and domain management, so you can set up your name servers and DNS settings in the Contabo control panel. And here you can see the regions they are available. So if you have a website or your target audience in the United States, you have 3 locations you can choose from. You have one location in the United Kingdom. I think there are multiple regions in the EU, and also there are servers available in Asia and Australia. So managing a VPS traditionally requires more technical expertise than handling a shared hosting environment. However, Contabo has significantly simplified this process. They offer popular control panels like cPanel or Plesk as add-ons with their VPS services. These control panels provide a user-friendly interface for managing websites, databases, and email accounts, making the administration of a VPS nearly as straightforward as managing a shared hosting account. So you don't really have to worry about if you are not very technical or if you don't have too much experience with virtual private servers. Okay, so let's see how we can order our virtual private server package. I am going to order this Cloud VPS 1 package. Let's click Select. Okay, so here we can see our package with the base price. Let's select a billing cycle. We can select 1, 3, 6, or 12 months. I am going to select 12 months. Let's go on to the next step. Let's select a region. You should choose where your main target audience is. So for example, if your main target audience is in the United States, then select the United States region. I'm going to choose European Union. Let's go on to the next step. Here we can select the storage type. As I've mentioned, we have an option to choose normal SSD drive or the new faster NVMe drive. If we select the NVMe drive, we get less storage but a more robust, faster hardware. I'm going to choose the NVMe option. Or for an extra fee, you can select a little bit more storage. Let's move on to the next step. So here we can select the image that we want to install on the server. So the operating system, any apps or control panels we can select it here. I am going to select Plesk with the latest Ubuntu operating system. So I selected the Plesk Obsidian Web Pro edition and the Ubuntu 22.3 0.04 version. Let's go on to the next step. So here we have to set a password for the root user. For the rest of the options, we don't really have to do anything. If you need object storage, you can add them here. And if you need an extra IP address, you can add it here. Or if you need extra backup space, or if you want Contabo to manage your server, you can add it here, but it's quite expensive. You can also add monitoring to your server, or you can purchase a SSL certificate for your server, but we don't need that. So let's check everything again, and if everything is correct, then let's click Next. So here, basically you have to enter your business details. It's quite straightforward. Okay, so once your details are filled out, let's click Next. And here we have to select a payment method. We can pay by credit card or PayPal. I'm going to pay with PayPal. Okay, so once we finalize the payment in PayPal, we are redirected here, and then we can finalize the order. Let's click Order and Pay. And then we are redirected to this thank you page, where we can see the expected provisioning times. For virtual private servers, it is 3 hours. So within 3 hours, we should receive all the information that we need to log into and manage our server. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can make your initial changes and configuration in your server once you received your login details.